The sun is shining and I should be out riding. We got things to do to the bike first. Yeah, I've got to back the bike out, take the hard bag off, and I got an idea of what I was going to do to that slip-on with that stock Harley Davidson clamp. Well, I got a comment on my last video, it was an update video, yesterday in fact. Well, it would have been Saturday evening, from Evil Rick, I believe is, I don't know, I'll put his channel down here somewhere maybe. But let's get the bike backed out here in the open, get the lift underneath it, and I don't have to put it on the table to do this. So let's get busy here. I guess it would help if I put it neutral, right? There we go. I would say right about there might be good. Give me enough light. I'm just going to put this under here to keep it level off the stand. And to kind of stabilize it. So yeah, seems like every time I hit a bump or something, this slip-on just comes off. And I know it takes a pretty good sized bump, but yeah, we're gonna take this cover off. And Evil Rick said, fix it old school. So I'm going to fix it old school and incorporate my idea on how to do this. So I might try to use the old clamp again. I don't know. Give me some advice in the comment section, because I'm just a, you know, I'm not an actual mechanic or Harley mechanic or anything like that. I might be just like some of y'all that try to fix your own stuff, right? So we're gonna take a look here. Yeah, she's a dirty girl, but I don't know. Sometimes we like it dirty, right? So let me get busy here. We'll see what we can get done. Well, everybody, I got the cover off the exhaust, but what do you think? Jack, sit. Come here. Everybody say hi to Jack. I guess he had to come out and see what I was doing. Yeah, he's a 4-year-old, and he's something else. So I got to go out to the truck and get a couple sockets, and we're going to take this clamp off, and you can actually see where the exhaust kind of was loose and leaking a little bit before the slip-on. And this has happened to me in the past, and while riding. So I do carry some extra tools with me when it does come off, and then I tighten it back down as much as I can. But we're going to make that connection just a little bit tighter. Stay tuned, and you know, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys have done to your exhaust. So we're gonna get some sockets out of the truck and get busy here. All right, here's the clamps that I'm talking about. We're gonna try the old school way a little bit and see if we can make it a tighter fit. Pause the video right here, leave me a comment. What's the old school way? Should I clean that up a little bit, or should I just leave it the way it is before I do the old school way? All right, everybody, the old school way that Evil Rick commented on my last video was take an empty can. Here I have an empty cold snack can, cut the ends off, and then slide it on there. Now I'm going to do that, but I'm going to see, I won't have to use the whole can, I believe. So let's cut the ends off with a knife, and we'll see. Yeah, there's a little residue left in there, so we'll see what we can get done here with that, and then proceed from there. Yeah, it's I'm gonna have to slice it down the middle probably, because as you can see, it's kind of a loose fit, but I want it to be tight. You know what I'm saying, right? So let me cut this down the middle, and we'll see what we can get done here. All right, everybody, I got my cold snack can cut down, and I also have some high temperature exhaust tape. Since this aluminum is bigger than the actual exhaust, I had to cut it down a little bit. So I'm going to actually tape it, and then I'm going to put the clamp on and put the slip on. I've got to put the, I'm going to kind of dry fit it at first, and then I got to put that cover back on the exhaust. This is actually the crossover. So yeah, we'll see how we're doing. Don't be afraid to leave me some comments in the comment section, good or bad. There's that. I wonder if I could get Kim out here to help me hold that, but we'll see if I can get it done here by myself. Yeah, I guess Jack wanted to come out and see what was going on, so said she'd be out here after a bit. So yeah, there we go. Got to get that started. All right. Hopefully I can get that slip-on back on, but we're going to put this on right here, like so, to hold that in like that. All right. Let's see if I can get this cover back on. I might just leave it off. Boy, you can... That's been scraping the bottom a couple times, hasn't it? Well, actually, this is just for show anyway, so you don't really need this cover, you know. But I guess it does kind of protect the pipe there when you're leaning over on your left side. And I really don't want to, there, I'm gonna have to bend these out a little bit, see if I hope I get these back on. Like so, and like that, there. I'm just gonna leave that loose for now. All right. I'm going to work on this here real quick, and then we'll be back with you when I get it all back together. Got it on, as you can see. And I used a rubber mallet to get it on there pretty tight. So we're going to tighten down that clamp. Another buddy of mine said to tack weld it. Well, I could do that, yeah, but that's a last resort. I mean, you could take if you had to switch out the exhaust, I guess you could take a little grinder and grind the welds down and take it apart that way. But we're going to try this instead, and I might even take it out for a ride. Well, I probably will take it for a ride to see how it goes, and probably bring you along with me. So stay tuned. I'm going to tighten down this clamp, tighten down that cover back, and we'll see what happens. Well, everyone, I got everything buttoned up. And we're going to go for a short ride, see how it holds, because I'm ready for a ride. So, yeah, some friends of mine stopped by, said hi, and talked to Kim about, traveling on the bikes and stuff like that. Dean and Liz stopped by. They've been to all lower 48 states. She's traveled with them many miles on all lower 48 states. So yeah, so she kind of put Kim's nerves at ease a little bit, I hope. But we're gonna go for a short ride here and see how that holds, and we'll go from there. So we'll see you in a minute. For the ride. So far it did hold, so I went over some pretty good bumps, and yeah, there's a few bikes out. Oh, here come the dogs. Hey Jack, what are you doing? And thanks for coming along with me. Thanks for the comments down below. And appreciate everybody watching. Give the video a thumbs up, please. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. So, yeah, here we go. Hey, Jack, come here. You don't know what to think about the leathers, I don't think. Come here. Come here, Jack. There's a spotted dog. Yeah, he's peeing all over the place. Come here, Jack. Here. Yeah, good boy. All right. Well, y'all be good. Stay out of trouble. Say hi to a stranger. Thank a veteran. And appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you on the next one. Say bye.